When it comes to arm strength and aesthetics, two major muscle groups often enter the conversation: the biceps and triceps. These muscles, while located in close proximity, serve distinct purposes and possess unique characteristics. Understanding their differences can enhance your fitness journey and arm training effectiveness. The biceps, located at the front of the upper arm, are primarily responsible for flexion, which involves bending the elbow and lifting the forearm. This curling motion allows for actions such as lifting, pulling, and carrying. The biceps are composed of two distinct heads, the long head and the short head, each contributing to the muscle's shape and performance. When fully developed, the biceps promote an appealing peak that is often admired in bodybuilding and fitness circles, making them a focal point in the pursuit of strong arms. Conversely, the triceps are found at the back of the upper arm and play a crucial role in extension, meaning they straighten the elbow and assist in pushing movements. Comprising three heads, the long head, lateral head, and medial head, this muscle group makes up a significant portion of the upper arm's mass. Triceps contribute to actions like pushing, throwing, and pressing, playing an essential role in exercises such as bench presses and overhead lifts. A well-developed triceps not only aids in strength, but also balances out the appearance of the arm, creating a harmonious look. Engaging both muscle groups through targeted exercises is key to achieving overall arm strength and symmetry. Bicep curls and chin-ups are effective for biceps training, while dips and tricep extensions effectively target the triceps. By incorporating both types of movements into your workout routine, you ensure a well-rounded development of arm muscles, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics in everyday life. In summary, understanding the differences between biceps and triceps is fundamental for anyone aiming for balanced arm development. Each muscle group plays a unique and vital role, from how we perform everyday tasks to how we enhance our physical appearance and fitness. Recognize the importance of both, and you'll be on the path to stronger, more defined arms, achieving not just strength but also an enviable physique.